Hi, it's Ashley again with the Co+op. Today we're going to be making lunch, a salmon and chickpea salad. This is a great, affordable, easy lunch to prepare, especially for when you're on the go. All right, here we go. Salmon, tuna, these are all great sources of omega-3s. Omega-3s are essential, which just means that our body does not make them. So we have to get them through our diet. For this recipe, we're gonna use salmon. I would just need one, 15-ounce can. Obviously, there's so many other options, tuna, mackerel, herring, but we could also use jackfruit, great vegan option, because it will take on any kind of flavor you give it. This is perfect. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, Ashley, right?
Yeah. Let's go ahead and cut our onion first. Then we just take off that outer layer that's got the paper. And I will start crying. Oh man. I hate onions, just about a 1/4 cup. For pepper, we want, again, about maybe a 1/4 cup chopped. We've got our garbanzo beans and our salmon. So we want to drain both of them, and we actually want to drain and rinse garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Salmon time. It's recommended to eat fish a couple times a week. Omega-3s are really good for helping our bodies deal with stress, really good for brain health and our heart health. Now you got your chickpeas, and chickpeas are, just like salmon, a great source of protein. I just like a little bit of chickpeas. I need about 4 tablespoons of yogurt. So this is just mustard that I had in the fridge. I didn't have to purchase. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of the olive oil, make it a little bit smoother. So for dill, we just need about a teaspoon. You just stir that up. What's nice is you do not have to cook this. So it's a really fast, delicious lunch during your weekdays. You can prepare it the evening before, however you'd like to eat it. One option would be a sandwich. Lettuce, tomato, I don't have tomato, so lettuce, salmon and chickpea salad sandwich. Another option is throwing it on a salad. Later, when it comes time to eat this salad, I'll just shake it up and then just eat right from the jar. Another option is avocado toast. Please be nice. Okay. Usually I would toast this bread. Who doesn't like avocado toast? And just a little pepper. Right on top, we'll add our salad. So there you have it, our salmon and chickpea salad. I love it.